આખી વાર્તા નહીં મળે. ચિત્ર જોઈને એના ઉપર લખેલા શબ્દોની મદદથી તમારે એક વાક્ય બનાવવાનું રહેશે અને તમારી મદદ માટે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર કેટલાક શબ્દો પણ આપ્યા હશે. લેટ્સ સી ધ એક્ઝામ્પલ. See the example on your screen. This is one slide. You will get such a slide. Once upon a time, thirsty crow searched for water. Here are some hints. See, there was, he, everywhere. આ જે બધા શબ્દો છે એ બધા શબ્દો વાપરીને આપણે સ્ટોરી બનાવવાની છે. ઓકે, માય પોઈન્ટ ઇઝ વન્સ અપોન અ ટાઈમ, સો આઈ વિલ યુઝ ઇટ. વન્સ અપોન અ ટાઈમ, દેન નીચે જુઓ, તમને મદદ માટે કેટલાક શબ્દો આપ્યા છે. There was thirsty crow. સેન્ટેન્સ બની ગયું. Once upon a time, there was a thirsty crow. Okay? Now, he searched for water everywhere. It's very easy. બરાબર ધ્યાનથી જોજો. તમને કેટલાક પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલા છે અને નીચે કેટલીક હિન્ટ્સ આપેલી છે. આ પોઈન્ટ્સ પરથી આપણે સ્ટોરી બનાવીએ છીએ. Once upon a time, there was thirsty crow. There was a thirsty crow. He searched for water everywhere. Okay? Fine? ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો બધાને? So, let's start. See on your screen. This is the answer of that slide. જોયું બધાએ? Once upon a time, there was a crow who was very thirsty. He searched for water everywhere. Now, Peacock Group, this is the slide for you. Slide ધ્યાનથી જુઓ. નીચે આપેલી hint, he/a. And you have to make just one sentence.
He saw a jug of water.
Very good. Excellent. Correct answer. He saw a jug of water. Dear students, did you observe? The answer is written on your screen. You have to apply your mind and speak it correctly. Right? Very nice. So for the correct answer, Peacock Group is getting 10 marks. Nice. Now see, the second slide is for our second group, Parrot Group. Parrot Group, see on your screen. Your point is little water in the jug. And your hints are there was a. You have to frame one simple sentence. તમે ચિત્ર જોઈ શકો છો. ચિત્રમાં શું છે? It will help you. Parrot Group is thinking. They are trying to give the answer. મોટેથી બોલો.
There was little water in the jug.
Okay. Your answer is correct. The answer is there was a little water in the jug. We will give 10 marks for this answer. Very nice. Parrot Group is getting 10 marks. Dear students and teachers, શબ્દ ઉપરથી આપણે વાક્ય ઉપર પહોંચી ગયા છીએ. રેમ્સ માંથી રેમિંગ વર્ડ્સ શોધ્યા અને હવે પોઈન્ટ્સ ઉપરથી સેન્ટેન્સીસ ફ્રેમ કરી રહ્યા છીએ. વેરી ગુડ. સી, the third question on your screen This is for our third group, Kaku group. Your point is tried to drink, and your hints are he and water. બહુ જ સહેલું છે. કંઈક આગળ લગાડો, કંઈક પાછળ લગાડો, આખું વાક્ય બની જશે.
He tried to water drink.
He tried to water drink. હજી કંઈક આગળ પાછળ થયું છે, ધ્યાનથી જુઓ. He tried to
Drink water.
Very nice, correct. Try to speak the correct answer once again.
He tried to drink water.
Very nice, excellent. Your answer is correct. The answer is he tried to drink water. And for the correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Now, in this round, our last question is for our Sparrow group. Sparrow group, see the question on your screen. Your point is couldn't reach it, and your hints are but his beak.
But his beak couldn't reach it.
Very nice. So the correct answer is but his beak couldn't reach it. આપણને ખબર છે કે કાગડાની ચાંચ પાણી સુધી પહોંચી ના શકી કારણ કે પાણી ખૂબ ઊંડું હતું. Right? For the correct answer, Sparrow group is getting 10 marks. Clap for them. This is the end of our second round. Dear students, અહીંયા આપણી વાર્તા અટકી નથી જતી. આની પછીની વાર્તા તો આપણને ખબર છે, રાઈટ? તમને બધાને ખબર છે. So in your homework, you have to finish this story. By framing small sentences, you have to frame the story. And you have to finish the story. Okay? So at the end of our second round, see the score on your scoreboard. Our Peacock group is on 20 marks. Very nice. Our second group, Parrot group, is also getting 20 marks. Our third group, Kaku group, is also getting 20 marks. And our fourth group, Sparrow group, is also having 20 marks. So at the end of our second round, all are equal and all have given correct answers. Now my dear students, let's start our third round. This third round is very simple and very interesting. આ third round માં તમારે જાતે કંઈક વિચારવાનું છે. You have to think something and you have to observe the screen. The name of the third round is Speak About Me. See the screen. આ screen ઉપર કોઈક એક image દેખાય છે. This is your example. આ question મારા માટે છે. I have to frame 2 sentences. This is a question for me. I have to speak 2 sentences. Okay? My first sentence is, this is a boy. Boy is running. First sentence is, this is a boy. My second sentence is, boy is running. That's it. You will get a picture and from that picture you have to frame 2 sentences. મેં એક ચિત્ર જોયું. One child is running and I frame 2 sentences. Just simple and short 2 sentences. Okay? So you will get a picture and from that picture you have to frame 2 sentences. Got it? Fine? All are ready? Very nice. So our first question is for our peacock group. See the picture on your screen. You have to frame 2 sentences. See the picture and think.
She is girl.
She is girl.
She is dance.
She is
Dancing.
very good. She is dancing. Very nice. So your answer is she is a girl and she is dancing. Very nice. જુઓ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર એક પણ શબ્દ લખેલો નથી and still you are able to frame 2 correct sentences. Very good. You are getting 10 marks for your correct answer. And this is the question for our second group, parrot group. Parrot group, see on your screen.
He is boy.
Very good. Excellent. He is a boy. Very good. એક વાક્ય તો થઈ ગયું. હવે બીજું બોલો.
She is a ગાયક કલાકાર.
જે ગીતો ગાય એને આપણે અંગ્રેજીમાં શું કહીએ? ધ્યાનથી જુઓ. So your time is up. Your time is up and you framed 1 sentence. But still it's good. He is singing a song. You can frame it. What he is doing? He is singing. Right? Huh? તમે ગાઓ છો કે નહીં? Huh? That is called singing. Fine. For 1 sentence, you are getting 5 marks. Okay? Very nice. You tried well. Now this is the question for our third group. See the screen.
She is a girl. She is crying.
Very nice. Fine. Your answer is correct. You have to think. Whatever you will think, you have to speak. તમે જે વિચારો એ બોલવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરો અને એ જ રીતે આપણે શીખીશું અંગ્રેજી ભાષા. Now it's a turn of our fourth group. See the picture on your screen.
She is a driver. It is a bus.
Very good. Correct answer. And for the correct answer, you are getting 10 marks. Very nice. Dear students, ઘણી બધી વસ્તુ આપણને બહુ સરળતાથી આવડતી હોય છે. But the thing is, we have to think. We have to try to frame the sentences in English. જેટલો વધારે પ્રયત્ન કરીશું, એટલું વધારે આવડશે. It was a time when we were not able to speak a small word, when we have to find the words from so many words, right? And now we are able to find the rhyming words from the rhyme. This is a big achievement. We are learning. So maybe we are facing the difficulties, but we will win. Okay? Always remember this. Now, at the end of our third round, see the score. Our first group, Peacock group, is getting 30 marks. Our second group, Parrot group, is getting 25 marks. Our third group, Cuckoo group, is getting 30 marks. And our fourth group, Sparrow group, is also getting 30 marks. Very good. As we always say, કે winners ને losers ની definition માં આપણે નથી પડતા. But the thing is, તમે બધા જ અહીંયા આવ્યા અને સ્ટુડિયોમાં ક્વિઝ રમ્યા, so you all are winners, right? Dear students, in this world, you observe the things very carefully. શરૂઆતમાં આપણે wonderful poem સાંભળી ને? This world is wonderful. બહુ જ સુંદર છે આ દુનિયા. પણ ક્યારે કે જ્યારે આપણે બધા જ ભેગા થઈને વિકાસ કરીએ. When we all are growing together, when we all are doing good things, only then and then world will become wonderful. Okay? તમારા ઘણા બધા મેલ્સ આવ્યા છે, વોટ્સએપ પર તમારા ઘણા બધા ઇમેજીસ આવ્યા છે અને ઘણા બધા શિક્ષકોએ અમને તમારી શાળામાં આમંત્રણ આપ્યું છે. ઘણી બધી શાળામાં અમે રેકોર્ડિંગ કરી આવ્યા પણ છીએ અને એ પરથી લાગે છે કે વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસરૂમથી આપણે ઘણું સારું અંગ્રેજી શીખી રહ્યા છીએ. ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, દર વખતની જેમ આ ક્વિઝમાં પણ પાર્ટિસિપેટ કરવા માટે વિદ્યાર્થીઓને આપણે પ્રોત્સાહિત કરવા માટે આ શબ્દકોશ આપીએ છીએ અને આ શબ્દકોશ પરથી આપણે નવા ઘણા બધા સેન્ટેન્સીસ બનાવી શકીશું. રાઈટ? ઓકે દેન, મળીશું ફરી ત્યારે. આવજો.